Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making vegan cheese sauce featuring Flavor God seasonings and Bragg's Nutritional Yeast. Keep on watching if you would like to see how we turn this into this. Alright, now for what you guys have been waiting for. We have the garlic and herb salts. We have the Himalayan salt and pink peppercorn. We have the Nacho cheese seasoning from Flavor God. We have the Bragg's Nutritional Yeast seasoning. And we also have the cheese seasoning from Flavor God as well. All of these are vegan. 2 potatoes, 1 white onion, and 1 sweet potato. I only ended up adding half of the small white onion and a 1/3 cup of sweet potatoes and both of the regular russet potatoes. I chopped them uniformly in size, that way so the sweet potatoes and the regular potatoes would cook in unison together, so they'd be done at the same time. The onion seemed like it took a little bit longer to cook than the potatoes. And right here we're going to add 4 cups of water, but you can add enough water to cover the vegetables, whichever pot that you decide to use. And it took us roughly about 10 to 20 minutes, but it will depend depending on your oven how long it'll take. We added the pink Himalayan salt with the pink peppercorns here, but that's optional. You don't have to do that. And as far as the sweet potatoes go, they're mainly in there for color. Sometimes I find that it is too sweet if I add too many sweet potatoes. So you can add as many or as less as you would like. And right here we're just checking for fork tenderness, and it looks like we are good to go right here. So reserve 1 cup of the water that you use to boil your vegetables in, and we're going to be using that to blend them up in just a second. Alright, as far as the rest of the water, you're going to need to drain that in the sink and the strainer. So we're going to just put our vegetables in our blender. We're using a Vitamix here, but any blender should do since they're soft. And right here you can use the nutritional yeast, or you can use the optional garlic and herb salt from Flavor God, or more pink Himalayan sea salt as I'm about to do. Or you can completely cut out the nutritional yeast and just use the Flavor God cheese seasoning in place of the nutritional yeast. And we're going to cover it, and we are going to blend. And we're going to blend it until it is smooth. I think it took about a minute in the Vitamix. Maybe 2 minutes, but I would say about a minute. Alright, we see bubbles, so it's done. Right here I have a 24-ounce mason jar, and it filled it up to about 20 ounces. So this makes about 20 ounces of cheese sauce. And it's very smooth. And it actually looks like real nacho cheese whenever you taste it. Now sometimes I find that the sweet potatoes are too sweet, so I add less. And I can actually add an adobo in there or 2 from the adobos in the can and the sauce, and that will actually give it a smoky flavor. Alright, now we're going to do our cheese fries. So I have some chili beans that are in the can, but I also have a black beans recipe that I've used on it before. I'll link the recipe above. And we're going to just put our beans on our potatoes. And we're actually going to have our no oil air fried potatoes recipe coming up soon on our channel, so stay tuned for that, because it is one of our favorite recipes. We eat fries every day. So we're going to sprinkle the cheese on there just a little bit. That's a little bit to us. We really like their cheese sauce. So we have our jalapenos from our garden. We also have some white onion, but you can use whatever vegetable that you like on this. We like to call these our loaded nachos. We've actually used the bacon bits before because they're vegan. And we have the cheese fry. We're showing you what it looks like and how tasty it is. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Thank you for watching.